Find or read reviews that people are talking about VisualPower 10000A jump starter and 100-watt portable power bank. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful CASF TW10000A starter with EC8 smart clip equipped with a robust 6AWG cable and intelligent EC8 smart clip. This jump starter delivers a powerful current channel suitable for all gasoline vehicles up to 15-liter diesel engines. Ideal for trucks, RVs, agricultural, mining, and marine vehicles. Massive battery capacity, 35,000 mAh/130 Wh, with the capacity equivalent to 3 small power banks. This device can charge up to 8 smartphones fully. It features multiple output ports AC, USB, and DC for simultaneous use across various devices. Uninterrupted power supply with 100-watt inverter. The built-in 100-watt inverter provides continuous power for critical devices like ventilators, making it an essential tool for medical emergencies or outdoor activities. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it's portable and easy to carry. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.